Hello students. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of geometric shapes. These shapes aren't just numbers and lines, they're all around us, from the things you see in your classroom to the great outdoors. First, let's talk about one-dimensional, 1D, shapes. These are simple shapes that only have length. Imagine a straight road or a line drawn on paper. We see them in things like straight lines, curved lines, and even just a point. One-dimensional shapes help us understand the basics of geometry. Speaking of lines, let's check out the different types of lines. A straight line is like a road that goes on and on forever in both directions. It's the shortest path between 2 points. A curved line is different because it bends, kind of like a roller coaster track. Parallel lines are run alongside each other and never meet. Think of train tracks. Intersecting lines are lines that cross at one point, like when two roads meet at a junction. And perpendicular lines meet at right angles, forming an L shape, just like the corner of a room. Now, let's talk about angles. Angles are formed when two lines meet at a point, and they come in all kinds of shapes and sizes. An acute angle is smaller than 90 degrees, it's like a sharp corner. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees, it's the perfect L shape you see in squares. An obtuse angle is bigger than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. A straight angle is exactly 180 degrees, basically, it's just a straight line. And a reflex angle is greater than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees, it's like a part of a circle. Now, let's move on to two-dimensional, 2D, shapes. These are flat shapes that have both length and width, like drawings you make on paper. Some important things about 2D shapes are their sides, vertices, or corners, and angles. Let's look at a triangle, a shape with 3 sides. You can find triangles in all sorts of places, from traffic signs to building structures. There are different types of triangles. An acute triangle has all angles less than 90 degrees. A right triangle has one angle that's exactly 90 degrees. And an obtuse triangle has one angle that's greater than 90 degrees. Next up are quadrilaterals. These shapes have 4 sides. Some common ones include a square, which has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. A rectangle, which has opposite sides that are equal and also has 4 right angles. And let's not forget about the circle. It's a round shape with no corners. The distance from the center to the edge is called the radius. Finally, let's jump into three-dimensional, 3D, shapes. These shapes have length, width, and height, which means they're like physical objects you can hold. Here are a few examples. A cube looks like a box and has 6 square faces. A cylinder is shaped like a soda can, with 2 flat circular ends and a curved surface. And a cone is like an ice cream cone with a circular base that comes to a point. Isn't it amazing how understanding these shapes helps us see the world around us in a new way? Now, here's a question for you. What's the name of the shape with 3 sides? Share your answer in the comments, and let's keep exploring these wonderful shapes together. The complete curriculum for Class 4 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.